My name is JJ Fountain, and I am a part-time carpenter, part-time videographer, and a musician as well. My dad and my mom are both RVers, so they RV part-time, and they follow a YouTube channel where this couple went to the week 1 fundamental course and they gave it a review on their YouTube channel. And my dad saw that and he said, hey, you know, I know you're thinking about building out vans and schoolies. Maybe you should go and take this course and see if you can kind of get your bearings on how to continue to do that. This is the 1999 Bluebird International Skoolie. Took this sucker all the way from Colorado to here and worked like a charm. So captain's chair is money. So I've done the week 1 fundamentals and I'm currently now in the solar course. We got 2 custom couches with storage underneath. We've got our water tank underneath this couch. Got our nice mini fridge. The instructors here are just unbelievably knowledgeable, very helpful, and easy to talk to, easy to ask questions. And while it is a challenge and it does stretch me to take these courses and kind of try to keep up with everything that's going on, I always walk away just so satisfied, so stoked about what I've learned, and so confident in moving forward that I've really learned from the best, and I really have my head around what's going on. We love these butcher block countertops. We've got butcher block everywhere. 4-gallon electric water heater in there. Nice big sink, battery monitor, and tank sensors to see where our tank is at and where our battery is at. I'm coming into these courses as a carpenter. I'm learning these new fields, these new areas of expertise, whether it's plumbing, propane, solar, you know, anything electrical. This is all new stuff for me. So I'm experiencing aha moments like every day. We love this wood burning stove setup we've got going on. This is actually made for sailboats, but we threw it right here and we've loved it. It's not very big, but it gets the job done. You can burn anything in here, but we typically burn firewood. If you're thinking about coming to NRVTA to take any course here, I would say definitely do it. It's going to be a really cool learning experience for you. You're going to grow, you're going to meet some new awesome people, and you're going to just develop a wider network of connections of awesome people, knowledgeable people, and yeah, people just who know the RV world and space.
Guys, the RV industry has never been more popular than it is right now, and it's never been so understaffed. We need thousands of technicians and inspectors just like you. Click the link below to learn more and get your future started today.